Guys, so this is gonna be the empty apartment tour. This is the front door. When I walk in, I love the like locks and stuff. This is, I'm assuming, the water heater. And then right here I have like a little closet, a little coat closet. I could put a trash can in there and everything. Love that because I don't want the trash can to be seen. And then this is the kitchen. Oh, like, I love it. It's so nice. This island is huge. This is the refrigerator, a bunch of cabinet space. Of course, it's just like the one handle thing, but it's just me, so I don't really need a huge refrigerator, but it's clean. Of course, I'm gonna re-clean everything, but yeah. I love the backsplash, y'all. This tile is so nice. Of course, a bunch of outlets, so necessary. And then the wooden cabinets, and then the little mirrored little handles, a bunch of cabinet space. It's the same. And then of course it's like the little cabinet above the microwave and stove. Stainless steel appliances, we love that. And then over here I can put like some like art, or I can, I mean not art, but like little knickknacks, or I can put like my wine glasses or something right there. And then this is the sink, y'all. It's so big, and it's like the little one like that. We love that. And then of course there's like space underneath the sink. Oh, it comes with a fire extinguisher, which is good. This is the dishwasher. They left me some little water bottles and a little flask, not a flask, but like a little soup warmer, or like, you know, hot coffee and stuff like that. A little warmer, some sanitizer. This is the pantry. A really nice size. And then this is the actual living space, y'all. It's so nice. And then I have a balcony. Are you done? Oh my God, it's so cute. It's so cute. So I'm thinking the TV is gonna go over there. The couch will go over here. I'm gonna put a desk right there or something. I'm not sure. I actually have space for an entry table right here, so I'm gonna do that, and then hang my little circular mirror right there. I have a little Nest thermostat, so cute. And then over here we're gonna go into the bedroom. It's not super huge, but I feel like it's big enough. It is carpet, which I don't necessarily mind, but this is what it looks like from this angle. I'm gonna put probably a mirror right here, I'm not sure yet, to cover this. And then right here is the door to the bathroom. Ooh, it's locked. Let me come back out. Okay, so this is the entry to the bathroom, and straight ahead is my linen closet. So cute. Let me turn the lights on. I think this is the lights. Yep. Okay, this is the light. So this is the bathroom. It's so nice, y'all. I love it. I love the floors, double sinks, huge mirror. Are you done? It's me. No, just wait. And then of course the toilet. This is where the washer and dryer is. And then y'all, I have a stand-in shower. I thought I was gonna have a tub. This is perfect. I have a stand-in shower. And then this is the closet. You guys, I can't even deal. But y'all, that is pretty much the whole thing. I'm so excited. It's so cute. I gotta hurry up and go down here and get all this stuff. But y'all, this is the view from the bedroom door. It's so cute. I'm so excited. Hey guys, so I just got back to the apartment, and y'all, I had to go get me something to eat because I haven't had anything all day. I've been out pretty much all day. So I just went and got some Chick-fil-A. I get a Cobb salad, no bacon, and I get avocado, lime ranch, and zesty apple cider vinegar dressing. And I got a small lemonade because y'all know I don't really drink juice a lot anymore. But I have like my water and stuff. But I'm thinking I need to start cleaning up. But y'all, excuse me, we have to get all this stuff in here. That trash bag, that big trash bag is full of like Decor pillows. Those are pillows and stuff. Vacuum, circle mirror. These are my like the frames for my artwork that I'm gonna get. Bathroom stuff, kitchen stuff, bar stools. This is kitchen stuff, laundry stuff, my table, my couch, rug, mirror, ladder. This is like some laundry stuff too. And then the bed stuff is in here. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and put the bed together because it's really not that hard. I actually took it apart myself. So yeah. Little like jar containers for this stuff, but for now I'm just gonna go ahead and just put it like in the laundry room somewhere. I'm trying to decide if I should put it in the laundry room or in the laundry closet, like if I should just sit it on top, or I could just put it in the I could just put it in the towel closet. I think I'm gonna just put it in here for now until I get like the jars, and then it'll be in here. But I gotta go find the fabric softener and stuff like that. But this is the box with the bathroom stuff. I thought I was gonna need a shower curtain, so that I got like a shower liner. I was gonna get a curtain too, but it's actually a stand-in shower, so I guess I'll just take that back. But I'm just gonna go ahead and start unpacking this stuff and putting it where it's gonna go. I found this scale at Ross for $10.99. I thought it was kind of cute, but for the bathroom decor, I pretty much just stuck to clear because with the countertop being so busy, I was just like, I don't want to put nothing that's gonna clash, so I just stuck to the acrylic looking bathroom stuff. So yeah, I'll show you guys when I'm done taking it out. Okay, so you guys, I like clean and simple, minimalist look. I don't like a bunch of clutter or a bunch of color. So I got this mirror from HomeGoods for $12.99. Just a little, you know, mirror. And then this is the actual, you know, soap dispenser and stuff that I've got. Clear. It's by the brand Hotel. And this was $12.99 for the soap dispenser. For the cotton ball and cotton swab holder, it was $14.99. And then this is for like toothbrush holder, it was $7.99. And then I got this toilet brush from HomeGoods as well. A lot of this stuff came from HomeGoods, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, places like that. But it was $12.99, and I like it because it's black. So cute. So I have that. I'm gonna take that off, of course. And then I have this little shower caddy, but it actually has a caddy in it. So I don't know if I'm gonna put this in there or if I'm just gonna like put it on the other side. I'm not sure yet, but this shower caddy was $9.99, I remember. And then I have these are like bathroom mats that you put like, you know, on the floor in front of the sinks. Of course, one by the shower, so when you step out, your feet don't like wet up the floor. So I have those. And yeah, that's all for the bathroom right now. I gotta go find like the towels and washcloths and stuff like that, but that's pretty much it for right now in this box. So for the sink, I found this little sponge holder. It was $2.99. You can find these at like TJ Maxx, Home Goods, Marshalls, Ross. And it's just gonna go on this side of the sink just so it's like hidden or whatever. Y'all done accidentally put it down in there. But yeah, that's what it's gonna look like on the side holding the sponge. Okay guys, so I'm about to try to get this kitchen together. So I'm just gonna quickly show you guys all the stuff that I have out so far. So I have this toaster, it's just black. I really don't want this to be on the counter. I don't really want any of these appliances to be on the counter. So I'm thinking I might keep the toaster in this little cubby. You know what I'm saying? The blender too. Okay, I don't want none of that stuff up on the counter. I just want a more clean, simple look. But I don't remember how much this was. But it's by Kitchen Smith, I guess. And then I got an electric can opener because don't nobody got time to be trying to use the other kind. I do not like those. So I got this one from Home Goods and it was actually $10. $10, that's crazy, right? And then of course I had to get some Cuisinart oven mitts. They match the theme perfectly. The black, the gray, the little wooden bits on it, like the kitchen. You see where I'm going? Okay. And those were $6.99. And then I have a paper towel holder, just simple, like the stainless steel or whatever. And this was $9.99. I'm telling y'all, Home Goods is the place to go. And then I got this vase, which I'm gonna put the pampas grass in. And this was $5.99, very inexpensive. So cute. And I got this big candle, okay, big ass candle. And it was $30, but do you see how big it is? This is a 60-ounce candle. Like, look at this candle. It's huge. And then I got these drinking glasses from Ikea. It comes with 6. I have another box, the same ones, 6 over there somewhere. I'm not sure. Don't really remember how much those were. And then yesterday I went to this new store called Pop Shelf, maybe. And they had like a bunch of stuff. It's kind of like a Dollar Tree / Five Below, but they had this little brush. It's like a cleaning brush to wash dishes, and it was $1. So I was like, I'm gonna get it. It's gray, white, cute. We love that. And then I got a utensil holder. This came from Ikea. I don't remember how much it was, but y'all can find this stuff online at Ikea. Just a little cookie sheet, $5.99. These bowls, cups, and plates. These are like plastic. These are from Target. Super cute, super simple. They might be like 70-something cents a piece. I got a little apron. This was actually a gift from my best friends. This was one of my birthday gifts, was a coffee grinder. Y'all know I like to make my coffee drinks or whatever in the morning, so I got that. Wine opener, measuring spoons. I gotta find the measuring cups. I could have sworn I bought like measuring cups. I just don't know where they are. I got this because I'm definitely gonna leave this sitting out. Y'all, I don't even drink like that, but I just thought this was cute to just sit out somewhere. I don't know. Of course, I have the nylon tool kitchen cooking set, of course. And then I found these really cute salt and pepper shakers. You kind of, you know, you do the little twist grinding thing. So I got that. By the way, this little shaker was $10. And then this tool set was $7.99 from Home Goods. And then I think this was $9.99 Home Goods as well. And then I got these little kitchen towels or whatever from the Pop Shelf place. They were $3, but I like the colors. It's just like, you know, the white, black. This kind of looks grayish to me. And then the dark gray. And then I also found this splatter lid. It's like a microwave food cover lid. I think it might have been $1 from the same Pop Shelf place. And then I found these, like this really nice, just white, plain white plates and bowl set from Ikea. So it has like the bigger plates, the smaller plates, and bowls. And then y'all already saw that stuff. And then I had these really nice, really pretty wine glasses. They're so cute. It's a set of 6. And they were, where's the price? They were $12.99 from Home Goods, I think, if I'm not mistaken. But y'all, I have a whole other box over here full of stuff for like the kitchen and stuff. So I'm just gonna try to start cleaning this stuff first and then move on to the rest of the stuff.